Welcome to our channel! Hi! Let's do a quick haul ng mga nakuha namin sa Shoe Carnival or nabili namin sa Shoe Carnival cause we need a winter footwear na gagamitin namin at ng mga bata just in case na hindi kayanin ang weather or just in case gusto nilang lumabas para maglaro kasi this coming weekend parang may bad winter weather. So at least prepared kami kasi wala pa naman kaming ganito, hindi kami bumili. And this is the first item. This is the first item para kay Brand Renee. Para pag maglalaro sila sa labas and merong snow, it's waterproof, insulated. And don't mind the brand because we're not looking for any luxurious brand. We just want a boots that will do its purpose. Hindi naman kami after sa brand. So, kahit ano pa yan, on sale or not on sale, it's okay as long as it will do its purpose. So, yung mga ano dyan, bahala kayo. But this is the first item that we got. This is for brand size. Alam mo hanggang ngayon nalilito pa rin ako. Size 9 for kids. Kasi alam ko 26, 27 siya euro. But here, I'm still confused sa mga sizing. Basta one size bigger ang kinuha namin kasi magsusuot pa naman sila ng long socks, thick socks. And para magamit nila, may allowance ba para magamit nila until next year or kung lumaki man ng konti yung paa nila, at least magagamit pa. That's the first item. And then the second one is same brand. Same brand siya. And this one is for Brent Roger, I think. Yeah, I think that's for Brent Roger. Did we got the size or the shoes that he wants? Yeah, this is for Brent Roger. Sinukat niya, gustong-gusto na nga niyang gamitin kanina. Kahit hindi pa naman. Basta, napaka-warm niya sa loob. Tapos, ang thick ng and it's waterproof. So, okay na okay siya. This is the second pair. And then, we got also for me and ate. Let's see. Hindi kasi namin kasama si Ate Amera. So, ako na lang yung nagdesisyon. But, both is I can wear. And I know that she can wear. And I got it same size. Kasi alam ko ayaw niya ng sobrang sikip sa paa. We are usually size 5.5 or 6 or 6.5, but this one I got in 7 because when I tried it, manipis pa yung socks ko, is sobrang comfy niya sa loob. Wala kasi akong makita dun na Uggs, and at the same time, mahal naman. Namamahalan ako, although magagamit mo siyang pang matagal, but this time kasi is madalian. Gusto ko kasi yung bibili kami ng mga ganong klaseng bagay is pinag-iisipan na kaplano, nasa budget. And that's it. It's cute. It's cute. I don't know if she wants to wear this one because for me either way, as long as protected ang aking paa, hindi lalamigin. And then the other one is, wait, let me check. This one. Ito naman, medyo lighter ang color and with chunky heels. Hindi pa tawag doon, platforms ang tawag doon. Hindi pala siya heels, platform. See? It's cute. Yan, yata. And then, I think, ano pa bang nasa bago? Let me check. Kasi maarte tayo, so English tayo. Let me check. Joke. And these are wool socks. Kasi sabi ng asawa ko, much better ang wool. Kasi hindi siya sobrang kapal, pero it will gives you warmth and comfort daw sa paa. So, sige ka ako, get ka para kay Brent at kay Bran. Yun yata yung nakalimutan namin kung meron ba kami ni ate. So, because we went to different shops, I think 4 or 5. Basta, i-haul ko na lang in other videos yung iba. But this time, these are the things that we got. Hindi to pagsusplurge. Ito ay isang madalian lang na pagbili kasi kailangan. And wala kami talagang ganito. Kahit na taglamig dito is we're just using the normal shoes that we have. But this time, sabi ng aking asawa, much better daw na komportable ang mga kids and ako. So, this is it. And that's it. Hi! Let's do a quick haul of the things that we got at Sierra. I think Sierra is a shop for outdoor things, outdoor outfits, clothing for kids and adults. At the same time, things for outdoors, campings, fishings. And the first thing that my husband got are this first aid kit. Waterproof first aid kit. Hindi ko lang alam kung dalawa lang yan or may iba pa siyang kinuha na same yan. And then, emergency thermal blanket. And I got this for me and Amera. Wool socks to keep our foot warm. And this, I don't know, like a snow gloves for kids. What else? Emergency blanket. Kaya kami merong ganito kasi dahil nga dun sa bad weather news, maybe this coming weekend, na ilalagay niya rin sa sasakyan. That's why he got something for us here sa bahay and sa car. Kasi may pasok siya. And then heat holders, warmers. And, pasensya na may umatching. Anak ko yun. And then, this one for Brand Rene. Thermal Thernos. Size small. And then, this one is XL. Size XL. That's for Ate Amera. 16 years old to 18 years old. So, feeling ko yan. Kasya yan sa kanya. Kasi parehas kami lamigin. And then, I got this. It's like, yung texture niya parang waterproof. Waterproof, I'm not sure. Pero manipis siya. Pag sinuotan mo na siguro ng thermal pants, okay na. Yung mga naririnig nyong yabag, nagsukat sila ng boots hanggang ngayon. Naglalakad. Pinifeel ang boots, kaya maingay. And then, one for me and one for ate. Size small kay ate. Para hindi mabasa yung hindi siya lamigin. And then this one is for Brent. The blue one is for Brent. Also snow gloves or mittens ba tawag dyan. And then I saw this one. Bandages na dino. Ewan ko lang, dun sa isang market na pinuntahan namin, nakita ko din yung ganito. Pero $9. Sa kanila is $4.99. So, might as well kunin yung mura. And then, another emergency blanket. Kasi, kailangan natin yan. And then, I think that's it. Wala na, yun lang. Or, meron pa, shovel na And then, that's it. Hindi ko na sasabihin yung price kasi although hindi naman to lahat mahal, pero yun lang naman. No need na. And that's it for our haul. Share a haul. Thank you for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe.